Look, man, self-expression is kind of my right, okay?
Not when it infringes on my right to peace and quiet.
Look, I got a huge show at the Roxy, all right? I've been prepping for months.
I don't care.
Hey, whoa. Why don't we hit the pause button here? All right, I think a little peace and quiet would be a great idea all around.
She doesn't have a pause button.
That's not good. Come on, man, she's a kid.
Now, try it again. Hey, there you go.
Awesome, Dad, you did it.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Hey, slow down. 5 MPH, 5.
Morons. Kill somebody. So, now that you got it running, what's the plan? Sneak it out when I'm not looking?
Why would we do that? We've only been
Three
here.
nights. 3 nights, which I have not been paid.
Look, I thought we...
3 nights is my limit. I want you out of here.
You mean now?
Get yourself gone, or I will have you towed.
Hey, this is the last of it.
There's a food bank not too far from here. I'll hit in the morning. You may have a ride. Thanks. Stay inside my home. I'll be right back.
Dude.
You cannot do this to us. You told me I had a week to find a job.
I never said that to you. You pay, you stay. Those are the rules.
Look, I came in here because the son should never see his father have to beg. But I'm still always telling him, just to keep your head up. Just keep your head up, because if you don't, you won't see all the good things that are coming. I don't know what's next.
What's next? What's next?